everyone, I'm Kelsey from Wearable Whisperer, and today I'm unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. Now the version I purchased is the 40mm aluminum, and the color is called Aqua Black. So I'll go ahead and lift up the top portion here, and underneath we have a little quick start guide and some product information that I'll take a look at later perhaps. Here in the center, looks like we have the charger. Yep. So we have a USB Type A on one end, and it looks like a magnetic charging puck on the other end. Pretty thin, pretty lightweight. I think that'll be pretty good if you travel a lot. And inside, the only thing left is the watch itself. And I now understand why it's called Aqua Black, because if you ask me, this is not really black, but more of a dark navy blue. So that is important to know. If you are trying to decide on a color and you want pure black, this might not be the watch for you. And oddly enough, these two buttons are different colors. This home button is the same color as the rest of the side, but this back button looks to be a stainless steel color, which is probably matching the black stainless steel version, I'm guessing. So that's a little odd also. And it only comes with one strap size. So it looks like for the 40mm we get the small medium strap size. I assume if you have the 44mm you'll get the medium large. But these are replaceable bands, 20mm sized. So if you need a smaller or larger watch band, you should be able to find third-party ones most likely. And again, this is the back of the watch here. We have the heart rate sensor and some text that tells us some of the main hardware features. And the speaker on this side, along with, again, the two buttons and a microphone. And I'll put on the watch momentarily, but I'll just show you real quick. This is how you attach the charger to the watch. Just put it on the back here, and that is not a very strong connection. It would just fall off, so make sure you have it laying flat when you attach it. Otherwise you could damage your watch. So let's go ahead and put it on. Put it on my wrist to show you what it looks like. And this band material is pretty soft, and I do like that it tucks underneath. So here's how it looks on my wrist, which is about 7 inches in circumference. And even though it's a navy blue, I guess I'm okay with the color. I do like the sizing on my wrist. I do use a 44mm Apple Watch because I like the larger display with more information. But I think this works. I could probably go for the 44 also. Personally, I just wanted to save some money, so. But the 44 also has a bigger battery, so perhaps you'll get some better battery life with the 44mm if that fits your wrist. Alright, so I think I just push this button to turn it on. And there we go, Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. And I think I'll try to pair this to my Google Pixel 3a. We'll see how that goes. I think if you pair this with an iPhone, you don't get all the features. You might not get all the features if you're not using a Samsung phone either, but... Alright, so it looks like we have some text here. Sorry about that banding, that's not how it looks on the watch, that's just a function of the video mode I'm in. It says Galaxy Watch Active 2, let's go. I assume I swipe up. Yeah, Galaxy Watch Active 2. Get started in the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. So I'll go ahead and get my phone set up, and I'll be back in a moment.